Yeah, it's raining. I'm in a fort shed. It's very protective against rain sometimes. But right now it's raining. I wonder if Moto Jam's gonna watch. I don't fucking know. Oh, I know it's fucking raining. We got the boys at L'Manberg. I know that I'm at L'Manberg. Fuck. Well, they're just in the middle of the fucking road. Let's take a lay it to our fort with our trash can that we naturally got. Freak. It's raining. It's raining. Fuck, I don't fucking know. Let's go inside L'Manberg. We're officially in L'Manberg. L'Manberg's a pretty good place. Pretty good. We also have this weird shotgun thing. Yeah, we do. And Matthew's coming. Sleeping boy! Yes, definitely. Yes.
What's up, guys? Matthew here. Come on, we gotta get into the shed now. We gotta get into the shed now, guys.
I was already